I continue to track a few areas of some showers and thunderstorms this evening. A few have been strong, and the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for Lawrence County looks like it has expired for right now as that storm continues to push out of the area. But we are getting some new storm reports into our newsroom right along Route 65 just toward the south and east of Newcastle. Some reports of some downed trees and some power lines. So if you have any travel plans in that area over the next hour or two, you may want to find a detour or an alternate route to get to your destination safely. But let's take a look at radar, show you what is going on right now. And I have been keeping my eye out on two areas over the last couple of hours. The first being that thunderstorm that prompted the severe thunderstorm warning into Lawrence County. The good news is it looks like it's moving out of the area, so the all clear can be given for eastern Lawrence County. But I have been keeping an eye on another storm just toward the south and west of Youngstown. But getting a little bit of a closer look to the Lawrence County storm. Still some light rain around Kennedy Mill along Route 19 just to the north of Kennedy Mill. But the good news is that over the next 20 to 30 minutes, most of this wet weather will continue to move out of the area. Here's the other storm I have been keeping a close eye on now, right along Interstate 76 into northern Mahoning County. We'll be pushing into southern Trumbull County, so right around the Liberty area, also Girard, eventually downtown Youngstown within the next 20 to 30 minutes. A little bit of a thunderstorm will be moving through, so make sure you grab the rain gear if you'll be heading out within the next 20 to 30 minutes. Taking a little bit of a wider view, all of this rain is associated with a system that continues to inch its way closer just off toward our west, giving some rain and some thunderstorm activity to parts of the Midwest right now. And with that warm, muggy air, we are seeing these showers and thunderstorms continue to develop. So Future Tracker shows that over the next couple of hours, I'm thinking that some spotty areas of showers and thunderstorms will continue, but then eventually dissipate as we go into 11 o'clock tonight. Temperatures will continue to stay on the very warm side into the lower 70s, eventually dipping down into the middle 60s for the most part throughout much of the area. Starting off dry, though, as we start the day on Friday, but then clouds will continue to build, and we'll see some much warmer air also begin to build as well. That will give way to some showers and some thunderstorms by at least 2 or 3 o'clock, and then some heavier activity heading into 4 o'clock. Some of these could be strong again, with the biggest threat being some gusty winds and maybe even some small hail. So taking a look at the forecast for tonight, temperatures dipping into the middle 60s with a chance of seeing a shower or storm early. And then for tomorrow, very warm with highs into the upper 80s, partly sunny to start with afternoon showers and thunderstorms into the late afternoon and into the early evening. And over the next 7 days, we'll continue to stay warm. Highs into the 80s this weekend. Still a very small chance of seeing a shower or storm, but the humidity, guys, will continue to stick around. Temperatures still staying into the 80s and then the upper 70s eventually heading into next week.
I'm just sweating looking at that. I don't know about you guys, but I can feel it already.
It was muggy out there. You could feel it.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.